Yeah, the 5G and Open RAN are very, very important topics for the future of our societies. With the new technology, you have new applications like e-health and automotive cars, and these require more sensitivity, and governments are very much looking into this. They also care a lot about digital sovereignty in a more geopolitical complex world, and want to reduce one-sided dependencies. And this is, of course, one element that is discussed is how do you deal with alleged untrusted vendors? And if you ban them, of course, you will end up with less vendors, less suppliers, even less competition and less innovation in the field. So by disaggregating the classical RAN and opening them up with interfaces, this really creates a vivid and lively ecosystem of suppliers where they can innovate and compete against each other. And this has many advantages for governments. Of course, you don't have a dysfunctional market anymore. You will have lower prices at the end and more innovation. And governments are thinking about how they can accelerate our road towards Open RAN. And they do this in close discussion with the Open RAN Policy Coalition, for example, an organization where VMware is a member, and where we discuss with governments what they can do to accelerate that journey. And one important element is, of course, to create the right framework conditions for operators to go this road quickly. It is about creating test beds for Open RAN to test new technologies and to move from greenfield applications and greenfield projects to brownfield, where it is installed in a live network. It is also about security. When you open up the black boxes of the classical RAN, you will have much more capabilities and possibilities to detect threats and analyze the network. And these things are done or are considered by government, as well as tax incentives or even research and development support, where you can also support the ecosystem and the local ecosystem of suppliers and vendors that can actually use these open interfaces to participate in this global race and global competition for the 5G, which is a technology that is incredibly important. If you look at the COVID-19 pandemic, many important elements that kept our societies alive digitally. In the future, if you look at the industrial internet, e-health and autonomous driving, this can be only done if there is a healthy competition in this field, and Open RAN is definitely the way to make this happen.